Do you feel overwhelmed trying to manage your appointments? Vapi is here to help streamline your booking process and optimize your time. Let's get started by setting up your very own AI appointment setter with Vapi. First, connect your calendar. Vapi seamlessly integrates with popular calendar platforms such as Google and Outlook. Simply follow the instructions to securely link your account so Vapi can check your availability. Next, customize your booking preferences. This lets you set the rules for your appointments, like meeting length, available time slots, and buffer times. This will tell Vapi exactly how you wish your appointments to be scheduled. Now, design your conversational flow. This is where you personalize the bot. Define the chatbot's wording, add qualifying questions, and confirmation messages to establish clear appointment details. Test and deploy. Activate your bot and watch as it efficiently schedules your appointments. The bot manages conversations, gathers information, and books meetings. Finally, monitor and optimize. Vapi's analytics dashboard will help you track your booking activity and identify areas for improvement. Regularly check these metrics and adjust your flow to enhance the process.